Hi guys, it's Miss Vanetta. I'm here to do your math lesson for today. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to still talking about composing numbers, okay? And today we're going to talk about composing 7, okay? We're going to talk about putting together the number 7. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to watch a video, okay? And it's going to be talking about the number 7. Here we go.
Hello! Do you see the buckets? There are oats inside each one for Henry. Some of the buckets are for breakfast. The other buckets are for lunch. So how many buckets do you have, Henry? We can count them for you. Click the bucket and we'll make them easier to count. Great! Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 buckets. Some of the buckets are red and some of the buckets are green. But what two numbers are being put together to make 6 buckets? Maybe there's more we should know about putting numbers together. Come on, let's go find out.
Ty has some counters. How many counters does Ty have in all? You can start by counting the yellow counters. Click the first yellow counter to begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 yellow counters. Next, try counting the red counters. 1, 2. There are 2 red counters. So how many counters are there in all? You could count all the counters, or you can start with the 5 yellow counters and count from there. 5, 6, 7. One way to make 7 is to put together 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 makes 7. So Ty has 7 counters in all. Let's use a 10 frame to find 2 numbers that make 6. How many yellow counters are there? Select the number of yellow counters. Great job! There are 2 yellow counters. How many red counters are there? That's right. There are 4 red counters. So how many counters are there in all? Count forward from the 2 yellow counters. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 counters in all. So 2 and 4 make 6. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
All right, guys, did you see that? All the different ways we can make the number 6 and 7. So that's what we're going to practice today. And you need to go to page 331 in your math book. Okay, and you can pause the video if you need to, okay? Page 331. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Here we go. So I have some counters right here, okay? And there's 7 because we're talking about the number 7. Does everybody see that right there? We have the number 7, and this is what page 331 looks like. So what I'm going to do is, like I did on yesterday, is I'm going to take my counters and I'm going to shake them up in my hand, okay? And I'm going to toss them out on my desk, and I'm going to see how many yellow we get and how many red we get. All right, here we go. Okay, so here we go. I have got 1 red and 2 red. So on your paper, you need to go write down how many red do we have. So how many red do we have? We had 2. Okay. 2. So go write that down right there. Okay. And what is this symbol called? What is it called? It's a T, but what does it mean? It means plus. Okay, so go trace the plus. Now, how many yellow do I have? I'm going to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yellow. So we need to go write the 5 on our last line. Just like that. Now, 2 plus 5 equals 7. Okay? You can do it with your fingers if you need to. 2 and 5. How many fingers I got in all? Count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers. All right. All right, we're going to go to the next one. I'm going to get those counters up again. All right, here we go. I'm going to shake them all up again. I'm shaking, I'm shaking, I'm shaking. All right, here we go. Ooh, okay. I have got 1 red. Okay, so beside number 5, we need to go write the number 1. Okay, just like that. Write the number 1. Okay, now here comes your yellow. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We've got 6 yellow ones. So go write 6 on the next spot. Just like this. All right. So get your fingers up. Okay, we've got what number? How many red do we have? We had 1. How many yellow do we have? We have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers we got? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7. Yay! All right. Okay, now I'm going to get my counters again. I'm going to shake them all up again. I'm going to see what number we get this time. All right. Oh, okay. All right. I've got 1 red, 2 red, 3 red, and 4 red. So write that down in your first line. Okay. Here comes your yellow. 1 yellow, 2 yellow, 3 yellow. So go write 3 yellow on the last line. Okay, and it should look like this when you're done. Okay, 4 plus 3. What does that equal, guys? And make sure you trace your plus too, okay? Because that's very important for y'all to know how to do that. So 4 fingers, 3 fingers, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 again. All right, guys. All right, go ahead and flip over to the next page. Let's see what they want us to do right here. Oh, we've got a word problem. Okay, so listen to this word problem. Troy has some toy trucks. 2 of the trucks are red. Oh, okay. 2 trucks are red. Write the number and trace the symbol. Okay, so right here, we're going to go write the number 2. Okay, because that's how many trucks are red. Just like that. And then we're going to trace our symbol. What does our symbol mean? Plus. Okay. All right. 4 of the trucks are blue. Ooh, write the number. All right, so go on the next spot, write 4. Because 4 of the trucks are blue. How many trucks does he have? Draw it to solve the problem. Okay, so how many trucks are red? I believe that's what they said. 2 of the trucks. Yes, 2 of the trucks are red. So let's go draw 2 trucks. I'm just going to do circles, okay? 2 trucks right there. And then how many are blue? 4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Now go count all of the circles. How many do we have? Yes, we have 6. Okay? And you write the 6 right there. Great job, guys. All right, last one. Choose the correct answer. Count the counters. Which numbers are put together? All right, so let's look at this, okay? We got to figure out which of those equations goes with the red and yellow counters. So let's start off. How many red counters do we have? We have 6, okay? So I'm just going to go write a 6 at the top, okay? Because that lets me know that there are 6 red counters, okay? All right. Then we're going to draw that T. What does that T mean? It means plus, okay? So draw it right beside the 6, okay? We're writing out that picture right there. Now, how many yellow counters do I have? 1. All right, so which one of those does it match? Does it match the first one or the second one? The first one says 7 plus 3. The second one says 6 plus 1. Well, what does our problem say that we wrote out? It says 6 plus 1, so the second one is right. Very good. All right, guys. Great job. I know this stuff is kind of hard, okay, but we'll get the hang of it. All right, guys. If you have any questions, just send us a message on Seesaw, okay? All right, guys. Y'all have a great day. I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.